few of them. So this side, I put my dresses. Well, I haven't spoken about it. I will be speaking about it maybe on a different sort of format. But I have an obsession with fashion, and yeah, so I put that there. And these are some screens that we made. I wrote an article about screens for Designing Ways that will be in print next month. And this side I have some other screens. So gosh, I hope everything is looking good. When I look at this video, I'll see, oh my word, all the weeds. Anyway, regardless, we will motor on. So here is my some other screens. This is a close-up. I'm going to try. Don't know if this is going to work. This is coral that I bought off an artist a few years ago. So quite amazing. Apparently in America they build houses with it. So I've got like a whole bunch of them, and we repurpose them in a few different ways. I work with these awesome guys. So this dude brought me these beaded frogs. This is my little upcycled pathway. Don't you just love how I repurposed granite and all kinds of different size pavers and all kinds of different things to... Sure, maybe I must go slower. Okay, there we go. There are some pieces of pottery that I refuse to throw away, so we repurposed that into some wall art of sorts. There in the background is my amaryllis, which hopefully will flower very nicely this year. We will talk to them. So yeah, so these are all kinds of things. Some more sculptures. Then I have Gilbert that does really nice steel work. So he made me this cute little objet thingies. I think we sell them for $200 or something, which is really not a lot of money. Okay, so we will try. Okay, I see I'm at 5 minutes. I won't go too much longer. So this is the entrance. This is my gate that I made myself a few years back. I'm going to try and get it in. It's pieces of steel that had holes in them. They were rejects, and I just absolutely adored it. And I had this frame for years, and I put these bricks, I filled in the frame with the bricks, and we made a gate. And the gate does not have a handle because I don't like handles. Okay, so that's interesting fact about me. And this is, I think this is where we'll end it, but this is my area which I intend to be using for workshop purposes going forward. And that is, oh, that pillar needs to be painted. I should have done that. You see, now I will, because I have shown everybody how terrible my pillar looks. So there are some vendor pots, there are some plants that I've procured so long for a customer, there are some lovely pottery. This is some more of the Spanish pots. There is, this is a stucco covered pot that my friend Alex did for me many years ago. This is these are imported clay pots. This is lightweight fiberglass. This is just an example. So this is, I'll just show you. You can see I can pick it up, so I hope you could see that. Anyway, so I'm going to try and do this. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see if this is going to work. How do you change this thing's view? You don't. Oh dear. Okay, well then that is that. So I am having an obscene amount of fun today, and I hope you are having a wonderful day too. So toodles.